how to reset your Whatnot password. Hello and welcome back everybody. In this video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial in order to reset your password for Whatnot. Without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. We can start by opening up Whatnot for that, one of the Whatnot application. And then from here, we can directly head over the login page. And if you want to reset your password, your account should be created with email. So you can tap on continue with email and you will be taken to the section right here where you need to enter up our credentials in order to log in. So in the first box, we need to enter up our email or username that we used in order to create your account, create our account, and right below it, we need to provide in our password. But since we have forgotten our password, if we want to reset it, we can just go and tap on this option called forgot password, tap on it, and here we just need to provide in our email in order to reset a password. In this box, you can just go over and type in the email address that you have used in order to create an account, and then just go and tap on submit. And after you do so, you will be given an option to reset your password. You just need to follow up that instructions to reset your password. You can just go and follow up the prompts in order to do so, the verification code, etc., and enter it up, and you can reset your password once you've done so. And your account password should be created, the new one. And go to the account section here, and within account section, when we scroll a bit, we'll be finding a section called change password. So we can tap on that option, and then we can follow up the process to reset our password from here as well. You just need to follow the instructions given by Whatnot and provide in the necessary details in order to reset your password, and follow the prompts to reset your password once again, and that way your Whatnot password should be reset. But usually those two are the methods you can follow up if you want to reset your password for Whatnot, which is super easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.